How to find recently deleted photos or videos in iPhone. So if you have recently deleted something, deleted any picture, any video, then you can restore it. So we need to go to the Photos app and then we need to scroll down more, and here under Utilities, you will find Hidden, Recently Deleted, Recently Viewed. So we will click on Recently Deleted and it will ask you to select your face ID. I mean, if you have selected it, if you have, and now you will find your recently deleted. And let's say if you want to restore it, you just need to select it and click on recover. So in this manner, it will be sent back to the same location where earlier it was. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.